Good morning, guys. Dian and I were going to try out some Danish Weiner brød together. I'm gonna show him some nice Danish baked goods. I'm just smoking a cigarette, enjoying the weather. The sun's hiding now, of course, that I'm filming, right? But yeah, I didn't film so much yesterday. I was just busy enjoying myself yesterday, being a bit more social. You know, we were indoors all day yesterday, so I was just hanging out, having a nice time.
Indoors all day, we're playing no Total War.
Brutal, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a chocolate milk. Dion has a sweet milk.
This shit ain't sweet.
Well, that's what we call it. But we're ready. We got the beverages. We're not gonna buy the expensive ass shit they got in there. The Weiner.
Getting cigarette smooths right up in my damn face.
Oh, let's switch place then. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay, check it out, guys. Okay, so a bunch of their good stuff is sold out, but they still got the best stuff. They got the cinnamon snail, and they got the tebirkes. I recommend you try one of these. Yeah, that's the Danish Weiner brød. This is just it's a little different, but I recommend. Hej så. Jeg forklarer bare lige min amerikanske ven. I recommend you try one of these or one of these. That's my favorites.
Okay, I'll try it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Look, guys, we found the Orca 3. Last time we were here, we saw the Orca 1. Let's sit by this one out here. That's nice. It's nice to get a bit more like different type of footage today. We've been in that apartment for a while, huh? That's cool. Ah. And then if we drink our entire beverage each, I think this will have essentially been like 1,200 plus calories. Like, we're gonna be good for a while. Right? Nothing quite tastes like it that you've tried, right?
It tastes completely different than I was expecting it to.
Yeah. I think that's a common sentiment. But those things are addictive as shit. They used to be like 5 kroner when I was growing up.
Because like I'm pretty sure I've had something like this, but it's like it was like some cheap high fructose corn syrup,
yeah.
factory made shit.
Yeah, the slop version.
And it tasted. This is completely different what I was expecting.
What a delicious meal. I just said thank you a bunch of times to Dion for that delicious breakfast. Because it is kind of expensive, but as we were just talking about, it feeds the soul. And you gotta do that once in a while. It's not just a frivolous expenditure like buying American slop or the same old candy you've had a million times. This is just special, you know? It's made with care by people who know what the fuck they're doing. It's not some machine-made frozen bake-off shit. which is becoming the norm these days. That's what most people associate with Danish Weiner brød. It's just a cheap bake-off from the supermarkets.
Yeah, it's mass manufactured,
Yeah.
mass delivered.
Yeah, exactly. Damn, guys, I fell asleep for a couple hours there. I've just been chilling. Just a chill day. Check out this massive slab of meat I just threw in the oven. It's gonna be a feast. Me and Dion just ordered the solar panels, but of course something had to go wrong. There was some kind of an issue where they didn't send the confirmation email, so let's hope they do that tomorrow. Otherwise, it could take a bit longer than we would have hoped. But either way, it'll be fine. I'm looking forward for sure. I mean, I'm tired right now, but this is a big boost in morale. It's nice just knowing that if we do need to, we can just head south. We don't have to go knocking on all kinds of German doors asking for power to no avail. Yeah, being independent is definitely the move for this type of lifestyle. And power has been like the single biggest thing so far.